Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking. And who does not like buffalo chicken bites? Let me show you how I made mine. First I'm going to put together my sauce. And I will be using all the same elements that you would get when you order chicken wings or chicken fingers or something like that. And you know, they serve it with carrots and celery and sometimes green onions. And you always have them either in the hot sauce or they come with ranch or blue cheese. I like the blue cheese with mine. So I'm going to make my sauce with all those same components. And I've already chopped up all of my veggies. I have about a half a cup of carrots. I have a half a cup of celery and a quarter cup of green onions and a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. And I'm going to be using a dash of this and probably about a cup and a half of the ranch dressing. So let me put it together. Okay, and there you go. The sauce for the buffalo chicken bites. Okay, so here's my chicken that I'm going to be using. I roasted up 2 chicken breasts and 3 chicken legs. I'm going to use white and dark meat for this mixture. You can use all white meat if you wish or all dark meat. And to that mixture I'm going to be adding some of my roasted garlic. Here we go again with that roasted garlic. See, told you I always have it on hand and it's always being put to good use. So I'll add that to the mix. I'll be adding about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to use probably about a quarter cup of the green onions. A little pinch of Aleppo pepper, which I absolutely love. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder mix. And I'm going to be using the rest of the ranch dressing. And the ranch dressing, all that's going to do is just kind of bind it all together. And I'm going to use about a half a cup maybe, or whatever I have left in here. It looks like about a half a cup. Now mix it up. And just mix it up long enough where everything is well incorporated. And I think it is because I can squeeze them together. Squeeze it together and make a nice firm ball. See there? Give it a quick taste. Oh yeah. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And the reason why it's perfect, because the chicken when I roasted the chicken was already flavorful because I seasoned it up really, really, really good. Slow roasted it. And so it's good to go. So from here, and it really is an easy appetizer to put together. It took more time for me to cut up everything than it did to actually put them together. So here we go. Scoop away. And I like using the uniform, an ice cream scoop, because like I said, it gives you nice, all the balls are the same size, and that's what you want. Oh, that was a little small. I think I'm going to get a bigger ice cream scoop. I'm going to use this size. That's a better size. The other one was just a little bit too small. I don't want them that small. I let these stay in the freezer just long enough for me to clean up my mess. and they set up quite a bit, so they're a lot easier to handle now. And I have my breading station already set up. I have egg wash and some flour with some Aleppo pepper and the salt, pepper, garlic mix. And to my panko breadcrumbs, I added the same, a little bit of Aleppo pepper and the salt, pepper, garlic mix. Now I'm not going to fry all these tonight because it's late, and I'm just going to fry just a few of them just so you guys can see what they look like. So I'm probably going to eat about, let me see, maybe 3 or 4 of them. So that's what I'll do. And I'll put the rest of them back in the freezer, and those are going to go be ready for something else for another day. So what you want to do, I already beat up my egg. You want to roll it in the egg because the egg is going to make the flour stick. Nope, actually, cut, start all over again. First things first, here is the correct. Okay, you're going to roll it into the flour first because the flour is going to make the egg stick to the chicken bite. And then you roll it into the egg. And the egg is going to make the panko stick. And then with your dry hand, put that on there. Roll that in the panko. And now it's good to go. Now I'm just making a small batch for me, so but I will put up the recipe for you know, how much you're going to use if you do fry them all up at one time. And it's just me, so I'm going to portion them out in probably 4 chicken bite sizes and freeze them. That way, whenever I get a hankering for an appetizer, a quick appetizer, it's already ready. See? Using my noggin. And I have my grease heating up to 350 degrees. And the chicken's already done. Everything is done. You just need to brown them up and crisp them up. That's all. So they'll cook up really quick. And they're perfect for football parties, and I do a lot of these for kid parties and adult appetizers. They're just really quick and easy to whip up. And if you don't want to roast your own chicken, it's perfectly okay. Buy you a rotisserie chicken, split it apart, chop it up, and you're good to go. So see, you don't have to worry about it. And it is a quick, easy appetizer. People think you spent hours making it. Ooh, I made a mess. If you don't make a mess, you ain't cooking. And here they are. And they are ready for the grease. So I'll meet you over at the stove in just 1 second. Okay, for this cook, I'm using my little mini Presto fryer. And it is really a cool little thing to have. That way I don't have to dig out my great big one to use for just a small job. So I have my oil heated up to about 350 degrees, and I'm going to drop my chicken bites in the hot grease, and they should cook up really quick. There they are. And I'll be back in a second when they're done. Now if you don't have one of these cool little mini fryers, you can totally fry these in a frying pan. You're just going to have to flip them over a couple of times and fry them until they're golden brown. Alright, and you know what time it is. Yes. Let me see what I got here. Try the blue cheese first, because I love blue. There's just something about blue cheese and chicken. Check this out. I can taste every flavor that I put in there. Every flavor. You can taste the cheese. Wow, that is good. Let me try it with these. Star of the show, the sauce. The sauce is the boss. Carrot crunch. And whenever I make these for a football party, I always serve them with 3 different sauces. Let me try it with the hot sauce. The only problem you're going to have is which sauce to use. So I would suggest serving all 3 sauces. They're savory, crunchy as you can hear, and it tastes just like eating buffalo hot wings. They're just in a different container, that's all. My suggestion would be making a double batch because they're going to go as fast as you take them out of their grease. They're going to be eating them up. Well, thank you for stopping by and sharing this really quick appetizer with me. I'm going to head over to my Mukbang channel and finish them up. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out the door. Hit the notification bell too so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And share my link with everyone you know in the universe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be blessed and keep on cooking and smacking. One more bite. Perfection in a little crunchy bundle.